Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to a brand new video. Today's video is definitely for you if you're in need of cleaning motivation and inspiration to get things done. Kids are back at school, it's time to hit reset. My house is an absolute disaster. So I'm going to be doing a quick home reset, a bit of mom life, a bit of back to school. I'm going to show you our meal plan for the week, realistic cleaning because you guys know my house is a mess and I don't shy away from showing it because it's real life. So first off, we've got the shopping bags all over the place. We're going to take them and take you guys shopping with us. Good morning. We are just on the way to pick up our food shop. We've been at my mum's for 4 days while she's been away again. We're back home. There's still decorations up from Rio's birthday, so I've got to take that down today. Clean, reset, picking up the food shop. I've also got a bit of work things. Are you waving? Yeah, so it's actually really warm and I've got a jumper on. I forgot I had this one.
Me too.
I know.
My nanny got it.
Nanny bought you that one, didn't she? Just pop into this lane. Yes, so I thought we'd bring you along with us and see how much we can get done.
This world
Has a car this way and go and get in a click and collect spot. Go up to this thing.
Look at the two.
Oh my goodness. You're a superstar. Go. Chuck them in. Wow, you did it awesome. Hi. Yeah. Food shop's here. I didn't manage to clear the kitchen before we went, or the fridge out. So, yeah. But I did come here, put a bit of makeup on. So we picked up the shopping, as you can see, and I had my little helper there. I love doing a click and collect because it's quick and efficient, just how I like it. Back home and it's time to unpack. And I've got changed as well because I thought I'm going to get sweaty because I need to clean this disgusting fridge and I forgot to empty it. Also, please excuse the light, it just keeps flashing ever since I flooded the hallway last week. Or whenever it was, everything's a blur after the school holidays. But I've survived. How are you guys? It just keeps flashing, I have no idea what I've done to it. But yes, this is the current state of our disgusting fridge. Just going to go in with some washing up liquid and some hot water and a sponge. I'm not getting everything out. It isn't about doing it perfect today. Like I say in every video, progress over perfection. It just needs a quick wipe. And then I can actually put my shopping away. I do try to remember to do this every time before my food shop comes or before we pick it up, but I forget. But anyway, I've done it now. Now I can put the shopping away. I just need to sort these shelves out and I had trouble trying to get them off because I've never actually I've never actually had to take them off. I don't know why I did that. But anywho, I got it off in the end, cleaned them all, put them all back, and now I can start restocking the fridge. But I had to empty this bin because there were some things at the back of that fridge that I don't want to think about. Oh, no. So I'm just going to empty the bin and then I'll get to the bin area at another time. I'm just emptying it, putting a fresh bag in and moving on. And it is time to take the decorations down from my son's birthday and clean the lounge. This is the current state of it. There's just everything everywhere. There's even confetti all over the floor. The balloons are still up. I had to jump and I did leave some sellotape on the ceiling, but I'm just going to take care of it, put everything back away, put all the 17 decorations away for a couple of years and then it will be Riley's 17th. That is crazy, isn't it? And I always buy these balloons off Amazon. I have them linked in my Amazon storefront. They're really cheap, they're good. You can blow them up and then deflate them, which is what I always do, and then I keep them in our birthday box. Hope's there just watching Peppa Pig, bless her. And I would have took these decorations down sooner, but soon after Rio's birthday we went to stay at my mum's while she went on holiday again. So it's been a little bit crazy this half term. How are you guys? How are you coping? Did you go away anywhere? Let me know. I love to hear from you guys. Oh, these are the TikTok weights that Rio and Riley bought and I've been using them. That's why they're down here, but I just wanted to hide them behind the bike because I don't want Hope messing with them and tripping over them. I'm not sure why they were left out, but anywho, this is the current state. A moment of silence, kind of. Does it feel to anyone else like there's just constant noise as a mum in your house, just constant? And while I am super grateful and I love my kids to be, I just wanted a tiny bit of silence, and Hope was upstairs playing with her brothers quietly, which never happened. I just turned her TV off and just had a moment of silence and then got a Hoover out just to annoy the cat. Try and get rid of all of confetti bits from the balloons at the burst. It's not just the kids that burst them, it's the cat. And excuse the Hoover eating the mat. It's really powerful, this one is, but it really hurts my shoulder using it. The other one was on charge, so using this one. And now I'm just going to quickly shove everything out the way and give this hallway a quick vacuum. At least it looks clutter free and not perfect, but progress.
Every time I'm going out, the same things keep happening. New boy, same tricks. Coming close to me now, trying to be smooth. So here we go again, here we go again. You're trying to buy me drinks, and I don't like your cheap tricks. Take us somewhere else, would ya? Would ya?
And all I'm doing is just getting a cloth with some washing up liquid on and a little bit of hot water, and I just go around wiping everywhere. When I don't feel like I have time or I'm really anxious and overwhelmed because I've got so much to do, what I'll do is just get a damp cloth and just run around the house wiping random things. I'm not getting the pink stuff out, I'm not giving it a deep clean or a scrub. I did move the vase. I'm feeling pretty strong for moving that vase because it's a weight, but yeah, I'm just wiping down things, and it just made me feel so much better. At least there's not dust and cat hairs everywhere. Like I say, always it's not perfect, and I would love to do things properly, but I don't always have time, and that is so much better than what it was. I feel like I can breathe. It won't stay like it. Oh, and then I saw the banister, and the state of this was so bad. I just blindly walked past this, but the cat, I've lost the audio, but the cat has scratched all of the wood. I'll show you guys up close in a second, but I just wanted to get all these fingerprints off and the dirt. Gosh, it's so shocking how much it builds up. Look at this. He's decided to redecorate it himself, and I am going to repaint this. I think I'm going to do it black soon, so let me know your thoughts. But it looks like I'm going to have to sand it. This is the current state of my downstairs toilet. It's a mess. I am not going to sort through that box today. I'm shoving everything back in it, moving everything out the way, just so I can get to it and clean. Sometimes I can deal with clutter, but I cannot deal with just looking at toothpaste and cat hairs and dust, and that just drives me insane. Like, I can deal with mess, but I cannot deal with when it feels dirty. That's just one thing I can't do. And I also nearly flooded the bathroom with the tap. I'm just giving the toilet a quick wipe over. I did spray it with the pink stuff and then just use some loo roll to clean it off so I could put it in the toilet. Not doing anything perfect. I know I've said this 100 times in this video, but I just want to make that clear if you've tuned in now and you're like, oh my god, what's she doing? She forgot to do this and do that. It's about just getting it done. This is the current situation in the kitchen. It's a mess again. I'm still halfway through putting everything away, cooking dinner, watching something on YouTube, and I'm also trying to get some photography for my ebook as well. It's really hard trying to do everything at once, but I'm trying to get really strict on like my time management and things like that to try and be more productive. So here's me pretending I'm a photographer, and I didn't like any of the photos. It's just the perfectionist in me. I don't like any of them. And I've put curry powder on my side for nothing. Right. So I will try again at a later date, but now I'm just going to try and clean up as I go. Wash dinner. Oh my goodness, I'm losing the plot. I'm watching something on my laptop. I'm actually watching another YouTuber. I've been loving her content at the minute. It's Jessica May. But she's so lovely, and I just love watching her videos of her new home and how she decorates it. And yeah, then I'm on to dinner. We had bang bang chicken curry, and then I watched The Witcher and zoned out. Next day I took the kids on a lovely little nature walk. Not Rio, he was back at college. Sometimes just getting out the house with the kids is all you need. I love being next to the water. This is my favourite place to go. It's called the Lime Pits, and I've been bringing the kids here for years. They've even got this new little thing there that shows you what sort of animals and insects and flowers and plants and stuff that they have there. So that was really cool. Now I'm back, I'm doing my meal plan for the week. I need this. It just helps me focus and know what I'm cooking, what meat I need to take out. It stops us wasting money as well. Then I'm getting on with the laundry that I thought that I did before the kids broke up. Spoiler alert, I didn't. I did not wash the uniforms like I thought I would. As soon as she breaks up from school, I'm washing the uniforms, it'll all be done. Nope, it wasn't. Oh, and look at the current state of my laundry cupboard. Not very good, is it? We'll do that in another video. Hello. I am still, it's the day before they go back tomorrow. In fact, Rio's back at college today, so I've had just a day with me and Riley and Hope. I took them on a nice little walk this morning. I'll try and insert some little footage. We went to the lime pits, but I was just a miserable cow. I'm not gonna lie, my hormones are all over the place at the minute. I've got washing that I'm still doing. I thought I'd washed her uniform when they first broke up, and I haven't. So yeah, and now I'm washing all of her white socks and everything the day before they go back, because I'm an idiot. I do this to myself all the time. I try and be organised in one way or another, and I just drop the ball somewhere else. So yeah, and you know, when you just plan lots for like, oh, when I have half term, we're going to do this, do that, do that. And we were at my mum's for half of the time because she went camping with her partner and Nemo. So I said, don't worry, we'll stay there, we'll look after granddad and the cats and chickens, turkeys and horses and all that. And the kids love it down there, so. But yeah, not got anything done that I wanted to. So I'm going to do it all now in a mad rush. And then have mom guilt. So the last thing to do was hang the washing out, and I'd already got some drying. I've got the bed sheets drying as well, so I'm going to put those on later if I get round to it. If not, will be likely a part 2. There always is, isn't there? There's always a rollover of the to-do list. You can see Hope rolling around in a blanket there. We'd put a blanket out and we were just sitting watching the trees and the clouds, as you do. Please excuse the state of my garden. It's very windy and we need to paint the fence as well. But yeah, I'm just cracking on, getting the washing in, putting the washing out, constant cycle. I feel a bit crap that I didn't get round to doing all of this laundry. I'm making this like an amazing motivating video for you guys. Also, I nearly went flying then, did you see that? But yeah, I'm just going to hang the rest of this out. I hope you guys are all okay. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all of you. And if I've gave if I've gave your comment a little heart, it means that I've seen it, I love it, and I will get back to replying to you. Look at Hope just playing around on that blanket there. Yeah, I really appreciate every single one of you, and I will be back next week with another video, and I'll see you then. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.
Every time I'm going out, the same things keep happening. New boys, same tricks.